Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss a 15-minute scalping strategy that is quite effective and very profitable. We conducted a brief backtest on this scalping strategy using the Bitcoin/USD pair on a 15-minute time frame. From the 54 signals obtained during the backtest, this 15-minute scalping strategy achieved 37 take profits and hit stop loss 17 times, resulting in a win rate of around 69%. Let's get started. To use this trading strategy, go to TradingView. Since we are using the Bitcoin/USD pair in this example, set the pair to Bitcoin/USD. Then, set the time frame to 15 minutes. After that, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type in 4x Global Trend Signal and select 4x Global Trend Signal by Ripster21. Next, go to the Settings tab of the 4x Global Trend Signal indicator. In the Input tab, set the risk to 20. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, set the sell shape color to red and the buy shape color to green. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The 4x Global Trend Signal indicator will be used as a guide to determine buy and sell points in the market. When a buy signal appears, your main focus is to place a buy order. When a sell signal appears, your main focus is to place a sell order. However, it is better to add one more indicator to use as a signal filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in Easy Entry Exit Trend Colors. Then, select Easy Entry Exit Trend Colors by Countstein 12. Now, go to the Settings tab of the Easy Entry Exit Trend Colors indicator. In the Input tab, change the BB period's value to 15, the slow length value to 30, and the signal length value to 12. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove some elements that we don't need by unchecking the boxes for death cross text, golden cross text, background color, bear MACD, bull MACD, and bar color. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. How to place a buy order. If a buy signal appears from the 4x Global Trend Signal indicator, your main focus is to place a buy order. Ensure there is a bullish confirmation from the Easy Entry Exit Trend Colors indicator, indicated by a green triangle. If the Easy Entry Exit Trend Colors indicator shows a green triangle signal, this is a valid bullish confirmation. For further confirmation, ensure the candlestick that forms is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Set the stop loss at the most recent swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.